Enti Captain Kojo Smart anima gu ase. Wagina ni so e wo media no so. On say Captain on several occasions Opeso de Akufo Addo anim twetwe form just say Opeso label Akufo Addo say Akufo Addo we didn't be to the point to say yen hu ni subida. When it comes to the issue of Sisila da pa on say Abasa is the person can win but still Captain Smart ain't ne ho ase. Chinchina was say ma me e wieska na de nti mu kill case ni say Akufo Addo and wa be mu and Akufo Addo and kill that cases no. That issue no lawyers be egunanimu ase on onwani program. Lawyers egunanimu ase. And now face OSP in nsem no on say Captain Smart already many attack on the OSP. Emanya na on linki Akufo Addo ebemu bi. And also OSP lawyers. I reply Captain Kojo Smart. Mema anchire mu no akire wadwe amame. Ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah block me da mess wa say ni die mo. Obe like video no da man subscribe button so na be click bell notification icon no latest update na be chile wadwe ndi amame. Ewo comment section. Mess wa so baswa. No wa shave also anya bi ahwe. Na me ka say your Facebook page no a dino a Penyah block media. A blue badge as it is verified. It is a verified Facebook page. It will not search Penyah block media na. And non quantity page abeba ya verify. Aye. Follow ye. Yam build the Facebook family no so no together na enya fefefe. Me the sponsor YouTuber no more supporting me. Now let's go to the story. Over Kaya, Captain Kojo Smart just why no say on what time Akufo Addo from the heart. On several occasions, no person dey go Akufo Addo edutwi form. Just you can't see me connect asem no. A corruption scandal say Kim. Captain Smart person of force ya betwe Akufo Addo rep ebedi na tem. Just a minimum idea Captain Smart all pay for Akufo Addo honomo. And a minimum idea potia Akufo Addo Captain Kojo Smart. But issue bia just say chrono, corruption, bibia no. Captain Smart person of force ya de Akufo Addo be wuremu. Sa asem na mfa Akufo Addo ho kra na chinchina obe wada asem na twist na de Akufo Addo be wuremu bi. No be gina so be din natem. No be din natem. When it comes to the issue of OSP, answer and say na hit OSP so pay ye. Kenofrata and Sam no OSP many press conference and no change all the Kenofrata eba Ghana hadmo. I'm all the date eba say date to enro no. Na Kenofrata e Ghana hadmo. I'm a date in atwa ye won hwe. And we chance to OSP that say press conference brief Ghana for the other end because of that no. Ghana for me can say there be any OSP no. The office no sub useless Indian sackna. Am that agenda we no. Captain Smart and started this campaign. As a young Saki OSP, in fact, the office of the Special Prosecutor, young Guno, and for so pianist, Akufo Addo machinery, just to safeguard himself, just to shield himself from, NDC prosecution. Captain Smart already did this attack on social media against the OSP.
Office of the Special Prosecutor, no. Obin can't tell me mfaso pa. I was. Yes, the Office of the Special Prosecutor, no, or investigate specific allegations of corruption and corruption-related offenses involving public officers and persons who have been entrusted with prominent public functions, as well as private sector actors. Pacho, yes, on Shishim, one dream did a catastrophe for a cancan adokro, one more abaya dream, and one more unconcrete room. Pacho, don't want to send with me investigate. As someone here. Yeah, I am one Quran said. Look at the structure of the Office of the Special Prosecutor. At 959, I did buy 2017. Yes, one. Yes, we need Special Prosecutor. Special Prosecutor, no, or where? You can be a Special Prosecutor, or where? Someone you can be a special. It just said, Juma, ye dear Shedding Sano, where Timia ye, Wayen ye, MNSCP, Emma Mafaja to say, where dear, why are there any pa? But Nipana on your sheno, your friend is special. Emma Penino.
Emma on several occasions, just a Captain Smart, Ed Draghi, OSP no. Ed nanim edutwi form na nansi amu last week here and Captain Smart a host program ni onuama achi with Captain Kojo Smart na ho no no tons afre OSP lawyers kiseja ben the lawyers or tons afre say ni omla na onu mu enwetwe nkomo na you say ho no mo no Captain Smart enim egu ase
Eda wase. Pesa me this also ni say emre pii ne ya ete wonka Utmikas Kisi Akufo Addo appointed through Gabi. There's no way he can assert his independence and work. So that was one of the things ultimately cancer because of that. In the Kisi.
Let me repeat him now.
Repeating everything.
Ono de me nka say yempam no. Me say yengu office no.
Dabi.
See me dey can antima fa some nsham.
Smash on cast.
Me nyo bia me suru asem ka o. I'm not like those presenters. Me say office na ka say yengu office no yengu no. Na yen hihye no foforo.
Enti da me na ma mento aso. Enti the make say analysis nyina you very good. But conclusion
any cancer mashema no.
Very well. Enti conclusion any results nya o de be no. And na me de bia make say. And na you wrong.
Yeah, na you wrong.
So we can say because they are difficult, they are challenges, they are lacuna. So because of that, they good office. And I'm telling you that is not the solution.
What are you talking about?
The solution is
what? More money.
No.
The solution is what?
See, then it means we have not even diagnosed the problem.
So what is the solution?
The solution is that the honest playing wealth or the pass it. That's the solution you should be
preferring. Office
because we say law well, last one the last thing I want to say is see, Office of the Special Prosecutor, it has come to stay. Say you drive on the way. If I order from a brick. You meet an oncoming vehicle. Who said, driver from Sufrikophobia, Captain Pajeti. Now, what in from say, Captain, do you know what it means?
Police for council.
Police for council. And then away.
Now,
we slow down. You slow down immediately because when you say, do man, the police will be there holding a speed gun. You slow down. That is the OSP.
Hey. And I said, any question, SM Chrono, no credit can share. Police. Oh, I said, okay, lawyer. Oh, my cat was only a lawyer. I am a Casasa. I don't know, can't say, I'm a lawyer. I mean, what kind of analogy is this? We are lawyer, you. I said, I don't Casanana, on a kind of my we say, yes, let us all more. Yes. Just slow down.
Yes.
And I yes, I don't know.
You slow down. Yes.
And I will say to say the part.
No. What I'll cast any send here police. Here a dear plan. Here police.
We are lawyer. Jaisa.
They also a presenter. You know, see no my. We are lawyer. Presenter. They are 9 times too opinionated. Nissan no man. China.
It's one people position.
I didn't people now. It's also independent. Independent.
We are independent.
Independent. They say one person called the be any some independent. Why? NDC for some MP for some.
I can't walk this once a week.
We can't do my mayor. No, what you might say. And I want Massa. Did them children say?
Did the bear?
In some
did the bear? Did the bear? Did the bear?
Where's your money? 800 million.
The amount 800 million.
800 million. The more I had.
I said the amount. So what are you saying?
Salary.
It was salary.
I was saying your salary through him.
Are you not a lawyer? Lawyer Nipan or Casase.
Now, conversation no cost now. And on Betty see that pa on say about say that pa got thousands of dollars and millions of cedis. I want net them. Net work keepers can be on them pass the world to promote or in a dinner home. And also for the Enco Bank. But about say, any second got to scan on them there and we are about my neck and what you say. Emma 7 echo court just a bet no echo Emma in the second no. You about court is can young farmer no because there's no any direct corruption scandal. Efon is account. You need money laundering. You had any cases. A just can crown when you're illegal way. What I don't work with with them. Or more chrono. Uncle, we are. You know, one is sick. It's court. HSC and Fasicano. And somebody said that. Now, on that issue, no. Anna Abano address OSP and some Captain Smart Eco Penyah is at the price you buy. The Penyah by now or Triana or the Akufo Addo Ebe Remunank or disrespect Akufo Addo. But OSP lawyers no omo hambo Captain Koje Smart and omo Edinburgh no chere no
enti Sisila brother pa nisika na ye yi asensa abode fola no mo chere na ka chere ye enti OSP wo betim say
aha enti say nkane no so kumansa because nkane no so hu say obi sika edos chain ebia
na dwuma ye
ni anadia enti yenka Sisila pa ode aba no and only one of the best investigations are OSP here we might continue one of the best yet take your time because this is the first time a sitting minister an agency, law enforcement agency, etimi achelo akoni fi akɔhwehwɛ ne dem agye additional scanner dade na ye hwehwɛ mu nyina ne
clear this for me mo course is that party mo sanya ska ho
yes in ska
scanner way
scanner
mo fa come office
yes ye fa your
office scanner way
is this scanner he said court ka say yem fama nti scanner go back to
before court said she was cleared by Nanado.
No, but that one, no, case.
No, but she was cleared by Nanado before you went to court.
But we didn't. We are law enforcement. We do criminal investigation.
But if the president clears somebody and you go to court,
but my it's one of the best cases.
The appointee says that my appointee has not done anything.
She has not been cleared.
And no, Nanado cleared her.
It was about
he wrote a very beautiful love letter.
So, Madam Dapa on the year and say, Ghana Hano, the BMK say. There were so many laws, but you need efficient laws. There will maybe a friend of unexplained wealth order. And also United Nations Convention Against Corruption say, or say country be will be. When you say over 195 countries are signing, including Ghana, and so Ghana you need some rano. Yeah, Titi OSP rano, ne wom, any ye film. I didn't amraway. Amraway chair say ubi usikano jepadera wono, a draw so chain. Aketua de mawa.
And I will bra waba.
Aha, and no, let's say, was say a more chair, quite how fast or win yes, can. The Captain Smart, ever Hanum, ever say Chianica 30,000 cities. Lemo Captain Smart will fear 20. A work cars are Cassian no manoma. Into ye, baby, my beshe say, now you took at 30,000, you juma bear 10 years, crowd, won't mean to know my away. Into Beshu Shumani, Captain Smart will win in lottery, and I ever Ghana, NLA. If you moon winning lottery, and now be a petchen a Japade, but you should moon, you won't say, no crown, no fee. Akosho wa asset we declare ni sanu manye be ti wie na machia ka emran say ye do be court ni aka che court ni say ye hwe wo lawful income ene ejapade awa emfa na court will tell you say Captain Smart chere kwan ya fa so nye scam basamra no ye ni bi wo Ghana nti e wo speak me hwehwe mu ehun say scan no wo no e match with the lawful income but
security is the power
yes okay. in a match nti but ke wo samra na kayen ye hu hia se de beko iyoko ke beko straight to court no no abecheche kwan a onya access kan ba ye ni bi no another way no say obi sika e match a money laundering possibly money laundering enti na ma ye de ko ma iyoko say munji case na ya hwehwe mu say untimi account for how onya scan enti munye money laundering and ho na ye expect say iyoko ba be scan. What did the
scan am ko fine ko ma yuko
Debbie says can on quarter declare say yem fama no but that time na e ma na refi na say over time
na 2.8 million Ghana cedis
well components of dollars and pounds
$500,000 there were some other smaller
there were other
denominations. Normal explanation, babe, because you are supposed to explain where.
Yes, so explanation in some majority of them say, so Yashishim, you say, or say, okay, first of all, no, say, Ubi wa brochain or this cabro, right? No more final project, into no mask can buy, and no,
how frustrating was that investigation?
It was not frustrating in terms of
how did you feel the office, not you, the office, OSP office, how did you feel?
Well, I think
the president has issued a statement.
It did not affect us.
It did not affect us.
No, it can't affect him. How did you feel?
Well, we didn't feel anything. We are
of Media General. I need the investigative committee of Media General investigate Captain. You go to investigate na and anti-BOA group CEO no throw letter ba say minim say wonye hwe
one listen no to chime fi say wo no situation na maye no che say anti-B no etimi mu By an anti-being intimate.
We are not
under the control of the president.
Everybody is under the control of the president.
No, we are not.
On paper, we have independent, strategy is independent. On paper, the electoral commissioner is independent on paper. Everybody in this country is independent on paper. Nti I don't know the more lawyer for to become here, but yes, we are born in the nimbo by any share. If you know, yet one year was a more ball now, you're not intimate, but ball go to the team.
Nti near Sanchichu, the OSP, the way is setting up and they say he is not controlled by the president. Nti Juma was so in Obitimi. You can frustrate his Juma by saying, say, the other agency should not work with him. Wait me, sir. I know the bit me, but so in a Juma do energy. Juma, you kum, and you kum say, first of all, so will be this kind of fabric by a coffee shimono, you know, in Pacroni conference. And now, yes, I demand FBI so most new in Pacroni dinkum. You know,
so this kind of fabric by.
Your Busan says, Cassan, I the banner that doing to me, cut the amount of okay, then I'll this kind of boss, oh, or not plain Muna, plain or chiche. $10,000, $10,000, and now more multiply as a plane. Obusia phone and net man also would be 2,000 strangers no chiches come to do to Canada or Gigi Nina and all the. But when him said there's an offense now because Ghana won't mean first come more than $10,000 in Rwanda.
But if the OSP is independent, you could have responded to the president's letter.
No. Why should we respond? We are investigating.
He's an individual.
But we investigate.
You see,
no, hold on.
The point is that, Mr. Krugu, you are a lawyer. Say a thing has to say. You see, we are talking about an authority, not just a mayor per se, but the president of the land. The president of the land, who would appoint you and later you become independent. You are investigating somebody, and this authority issues a statement indicating that meaning meanwhile any part of this can if you are or chairman nipa of plane wow as a perfume yeah cheche of plane name and then do to international airport no yeah ni Jesus betons are edidi fatum no the atum sa no akambo even from what you're saying the explanation of the said person and sisi
until now what was yen show the yen credit who work out there by yen show no credit
they won't okay nyam
they can work out nti ye hwehwe mu no ubo see when pakro no disclare Ghana wa bra when declare the port is an offense not to declare so that's one nti secondly osaka chere say we Ghana in about American citizen as well
American citizen
so let me finish the point. So, and you second one, the second one so say, oh, a year sicania there, the hair so and no credit. And I was saying, brother, be a shoe factory near that, the Korea factory no Guanya Jumania. And two canning in Abuma, Ubumi say, all the plausible explanations and Quebec scanning legitimate, and yet, and now, yet the command you could say, now me catch you say, Nisa law now, you beat me the court. I see this kind of friend unexplained world order. Court in BCZ scanner my yentimi until the who say any there were so many predicate offenses ubetimi the enyan or money laundering and the command Iyoko. Now Iyoko is under Attorney General. And Attorney General at that time Asukachi Iyoko say mo shishim. The mo shishima untimi me bo OSP so bo say ya anye adwuma. Ya ye adwuma wi. E dey come another state agency also oye. If it's on na also oye dey aka no wa anya so from
the onset, the establishment of the OSP, there's a lacuna. From where, when you are investigating any political person, they can run away through that space.
No,
hold it there.
You like to make your own deductions.
No, hold it there. No. The point is that it is money laundering. Are you to investigate that?
No. So it's not a lacuna.
Hold on. Please. We are trying to fight corruption. And corruption are here fighting. You see, Iyoko, Amwa, NIB, Wamwa, SFO, Wamwa, Wamwa, to almost say agrono. And that is why we're looking for an institution who become independent even of the signature of the president. And then this independent institution, we are saying that if it is about money laundering, because politicians, majority of them are into that arena, don't investigate.
Worry.
No, number two, if it is woefully causing financial loss to the state, you are not to investigate. It has to go back to institution. I say, On the Yensan Fan Command. So what it means is that OSP Nankasa was created on the devil's throat. What was that question anymore? Bekao. One found some questions or men were doing.
It is very good, say what me a bonnet of anti and another can see. I dare can say, OSP yet and I man a particular jurisdiction which is just corruption and corruption related. It is about jurisdiction. So the argument now you say you expanded. It's the same argument I appear before the Constitution Review Commission. You catch you say or someone expanded the mandate of the OSP. They cover all these other financial crimes so that the OSP can adequately take care of it. But I know since you can say a lacuna in terms of jurisdiction, but a lacuna in terms of a juma was say
politician no create no or nyansa or no so person the bokro no into create no we know these things. I mean we followed politicians for a longer time. That's why I'm saying that OSP are then share that is for frustration purposes. Enti sentesa money laundering to me over $1 billion be rest system name and destabilizing the economy. Why are you stopping the OSP who is independent from investigating?
So, a similar kind of does it, said all kind, but say investigating corruption, money laundering, it may at the count. It's we had case here at the court, the Mustafa Ahmed case, we say extortion, abuse of office, and money laundering. Into any time I human being a corruption offense, it may be the account, including financial loss. But see, corruption, you intimate for the account. Into no jurisdiction with their but they can say, Tisiano, you push it forward, say, having worked with the OSP for about 4 years or 3 years, you say there are certain changes also way, including say, was a Ghana pass the unexplained wealth order law. But
yeah, pass Okrumah.
Okrumah, no bill Nima civil society help but Parliament a free.
Then Parliament, because Parliament that time the majority was the MPP.
Almost say OSP too powerful. What am I say?
We want to fight corruption.
Yes.
So why did the MPP majority voted in favor of that?
In fact, what's that you're saying to a collaboration say the other agencies in way board and say idea more year dadano and no you bet me a pass ya no my. But the problem again is that if they are under the control of the executive, then they may be stopped from doing the work.
Mr. Akufo, look me in the eye and answer this question.
Tell me.
Are you sure the politician will add these things?
Ubet ma chede wa adwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Media.